Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to continue with the second video in our series on bicycle accidents and the law of bicycle personal injury accidents. And today we're going to answer the question, who pays if I'm riding my bicycle, a car hits me, and then the car speeds off? And this is a case, we see this case over and over. In fact, one of the attorneys in our office was out riding his bike and this happened to him. It's something that is very common, and I think that the reason why it's so common is because motorists hit cyclists with their side view mirror and they don't realize that they did it, and they just keep going. And they don't come back because there's really no damage to their car, but when the side view mirror hits the cyclist and it knocks him over, it knocks him into a ditch or it knocks him off the road, it can cause very serious injuries. And so we have seen a good number of these serious bicycle accident injury cases where the motorist hits the rider and then the motorist just keeps going and no one ever captures their information or makes contact with them. And so the at-fault driver is not known, is not identified. We can't sue them, we can't contact them and find out who their insurance company is. What are we going to do? The answer is that if you're injured in a bike accident where the motorist flees the scene, this is what's called a phantom vehicle case, meaning that you can't identify who the responsible party is. In a phantom vehicle case, you look to your own auto insurance. As the cyclist, if you own a motor vehicle or you're named insured on a car or a truck, you look to that insurance to pay for your damages and your injuries. You look to the personal injury protection insurance on your own car or the MedPay insurance on your own car or truck, and you see if that will pay your medical bills. You look to the uninsured motorist, coverage on your own auto policy or the auto policies of household resident family members to pay you what you would have gotten for your pain and suffering and your other elements of your personal injury case. So you look to the coverage to pay you what you would have gotten if you'd been able to identify the driver that left the scene and make a claim against them. So I guess the point is, if you've been in this type of accident or you know someone who's been in this type of accident, don't give up. Go to an attorney in the jurisdiction where the accident happened or in the jurisdiction where you reside and get some legal advice, because a good personal injury attorney will know how to screen for coverages that might provide you with insurance benefits for these types of injuries. A good attorney will know how to make a case, even though to a regular person it doesn't look like there would be a case. Do that as soon as you can, as soon as you're able after your accident. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. This is the second video in a 5-part series on personal injury cases involving accidents, bicycle accidents. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. If you like the series, send me an email. Let me know. If you have questions, send me an email. Let me know. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com.